Today I prepared the ground pork. Put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half teaspoon of minced ginger, and a pinch of pepper. Mix well. This step enhances the flavor of the meat. Let the mixture marinate for about 10 minutes. Squeeze the excess water from the tofu using a kitchen towel and crumble it with a back of a knife. Squeeze the water from the kimchi and finely chop it. Finely chop the green onions. If you have glass noodles, chop them finely. After 10 minutes, cook the marinated pork in a pan over medium-high heat, breaking it apart so it doesn't clump. Cooking the meat first not only improves its flavor, but also reduces the cooking time when frying the dumplings later. Next, combine the cooked pork with the prepared ingredients. To help the filling stick together, add 1 egg. Season the mixture with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt if needed, and a little bit of pepper. Mix everything well. To assemble the dumplings, dip 1 rice paper in cold water and place it on a plate or cutting board. Add about 2 tablespoons of the kimchi dumpling filling. Fold one side over the filling. Fold in the sides to enclose the filling completely. Repeat this process with the remaining rice paper and filling. Put 1 tablespoon of oil. Place the dumplings in the pan, ensuring they don't stick together. Cook over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes until they become golden brown and crispy. Flip them over and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until the other side is crisp as well. Crispy and delicious rice paper kimchi dumpling is done. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.